On this episode of Trekking Beyond, we will be exploring Akihabara, a world-famous paradise for anime, manga, electronics, video games, and arcades. Akihabara is one of the most famous spots a foreigner can visit when coming to Tokyo. It is a must-see place for otaku culture and anyone wanting a nostalgic feeling revisiting their past for retro video games. We will show you a short tour as we only had the afternoon to explore this amazing place. I am also very into retro video games more than anime, so we focused our tour more on video games and arcades. I felt like I was stepping into another world with something to explore and see around every corner. While in Akihabara, be sure to explore one of the many Sega arcade game centers. As you explore these multi-story buildings, you will find a variety of games from fighting to shooting, action to sports, rhythm and music games. Or you could step into the virtual world and experience VR. You could spend a whole day here trying the different crane games and UFO catchers with a wide selection of popular characters. They are filled with figurines, plushies, and merchandise of Japan's latest animes. You could also try the photo machines that take very professional photos of you. You will be amazed while walking through these huge game centers at the massive selection of entertainment you can experience for hours. Akihabara is the center of Japanese otaku and anime culture. You will find many stores specializing in anime, manga, retro video games, card games, and other collectibles concentrated into one huge location in the heart of Tokyo. If manga and anime are not your thing, Akihabara will still amaze you. During your exploration of Akihabara, you will find a galore of maid cafes where waitresses dress up and act like maids or anime characters, providing you with the best of service. There are also many manga cafes where customers can read comics, watch movies, and have access to the internet. These manga cafes can also be a cheap and affordable place for a quick overnight sleep. Equipped with everything you need to survive, including showers, it's definitely a place to consider visiting and trying out. During your walk, you will also see hundreds of electronic shops, from one-man stalls to large electronic stores. You can find anything here from small component shops, used second-hand goods, electronic junk, to the latest technology. We visited a retro video game store called Super Potato. You can see all types of retro video games and consoles. Super Potato specializes in retro systems and games. You can find every game system ever made, with a large selection of used games and game accessories. There are also many other retro game stores to explore in Akihabara. If you want to step into the past and experience some nostalgia, then I would definitely recommend visiting Super Potato Retro Video Game Store. There is never a boring moment in Akihabara. With so much to do and explore, it will definitely be a place we come back to again when visiting Tokyo.